No!
Sorry.
Good morning! We are awake. You're tired, but we are going to go make some pancakes.
We make our own? That's right, you told me that.
Yeah, we make our own.
Sounds terrible.
It sounds, oh, he has to work for his food.
If it was lunch, I'd be like, alright, but it's breakfast time. Let's stay. I have to get up.
Alright, so we are on our way. We're going to meet my family up there, and we're going to have some fun. Yay, pancakes! We made it! We are at the Springs. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. Look at all that. Oh, man. And it's a little brisk outside.
Welcome to the real Florida.
Yeah, welcome to the real Florida. This is what it's all about. Will it get stuck there? Stop it! Give me!
I am the cameraman. Look at that. Clear.
Be careful, Ori William.
Look how clear it is.
Ori William.
It's gonna, this tiny thing's not gonna leave my hand.
Oh, just be careful.
I can't.
There's a nature trail that way. And I think Ori and I are gonna go up. Oh. We're going on the nature trail.
I'm checking out.
Ooh!
Oh, look at a caterpillar. Wait, is that a caterpillar or a slug?
That's a slug.
No, it's a caterpillar.
Good morning. Fork in the road. I'm going this way. Having a blast. Hi.
Hi.
Oh, my phone's going off.
Need help? Yeah, I'll carry your bag.
Hello. Hi. Oh shoot, we're on our way back.
That was bad.
All right. We're coming. Bye. That was not the time that they told us. Okay, can you let go of my bag?
I was just trying to make sure you pulling you down. Nothing. Get hold my baby down.
I'm gonna go. chocolate milk is so small. You better drink that sparingly.
Third of it's already gone.
Ori's pancake. Bigger than the plate. No room to put my pancake. Got my egg though. At least I'm eating something. So the pancakes were delicious. Oh, goodness gracious.
Sorry.
Pancakes were delicious. He's full, clearly. Yeah, now we are on our way to our grandmother's house. She's not really our grandmother, but we've adopted her as our grandmother. We're gonna go visit her, spend some time with her, and then we're going to go home and take a very much needed nap. I'm very excited for that.
How do we stop home?
Oh, we have to go to Walmart too. Why? I just want to go home and sleep.
We're on plenty of naps, and then we're gonna wake up and play Monopoly.
Really?
Yep, for a little bit before we have to go see the movie.
Yeah. Cool. Good times. Okay.
Let's go spy on Grandma Penny.
We decided not to.
Is that expensive?
It's just easier to pay out of pocket, honestly. Put that away.
Hello.
So I see that Ori got some sneaky footage of us spending time with Grandma Penny. Oh, we love spending time with
Puppy.
her. A puppy! Gosh, you scared me a little bit, then I got excited. Yeah, we spent some time with her. It's always good to see her. We try and see her at least, well, ever since you went on the road, it's been a little bit more difficult, but we at least try to see her once a month, at least.
Before we were going for once a week. But
Yeah, about once a week or once every other week.
She doesn't like to be seen.
Yeah, sometimes she
Fragile.
wasn't feeling well, so sometimes she wouldn't be up for a visit, but we try and visit her as often as possible. What
Shiver.
was that?
I had a shiver.
So yeah, now where are we going now?
Walmart back by our house.
We're
real
going
quick.
to Walmart to go look for some new headphones for him because the ones he took on the road were kind of not the best
I
quality.
bought cheap ones thinking I was getting a bargain. They're LG, but they're the cheap Spectrum. They sound fine to me. I mean, they definitely could sound better, but I'm not mad for the price I paid. But the microphone,
Yeah, the
there's only
microphone.
one mic, and it's not noise canceling. So trying to talk to her on the phone sucks.
Yeah, oops, I keep hitting the window.
Window there.
But yeah, every time he would call me on the phone, it was a mix of he wouldn't get really good reception in the truck, as well as the microphone wasn't the best. I could barely hear him. So we're gonna go ahead and invest in some really nice ones today.
LG Tone Active. So
Tone Active.
water and sweat resistant.
Yeah, the top of the line Bluetooth headphones.
Well, top of the line would be the Platinum.
Oh
but that's
yeah,
unnecessary.
but that's unnecessary.
That has a noise cancellation.
Yeah, it's going to be good to have so that, you know, for these next few weeks when he goes back on the road for his last leg, I'll be able to actually talk to him, which will be really nice. So yeah, now we're going to Walmart to go get that, and then nap.
And then Monopoly. And then movie.
And then Monopoly, and then movie. You didn't do that very well at all. Nope, you gotta hold it there. It is much later. We got some lunch and then I took a well-needed nap. Ori got his new phone. Well, not a new phone. He needed a replacement for his phone. He got that in the mail, so he was playing around with that.
Oh, let me explain. Can I explain that one?
Sure.
I want to say something on the thing. I had an LG V10, and I got it because it had a really good screen and a really good camera. Because it says 4K, but really it's a 2K screen. But anyway, it's like top of the line screen, and I got it just because it did look really nice and it handled well and it had an octa-core processor and stuff, but the screen started burning in images and it wasn't, I guess, known like as a common thing, so I guess I got a defective type, so it was still under warranty. They mailed me one, I got a new one, and I'm taking forever setting it up now. The end.
Yeah, he has to download all the apps again and resync.
Overall, I love the phone though. I love that phone.
Yeah, it's a good phone, but he has to re-download all his apps. He has to resync it to his new smartwatch. So, but he's been playing around with that all evening. But now we're on our way to a double date. Keeping the identity of these two a secret.
Okay.
Because their relationship is not very well known. So, yeah. But we're the first to know about it. So, I mean, we're just not going to say anything. But we're going to go see Moana. I've been waiting to see it with this guy. I've heard good things about it. I heard it's really cute. So, yeah, I'm very excited to go see it. Change of plans. We're going mini golfing. We messed up. We were supposed to buy the tickets. With reserved seating, and we messed up. It was like 30 minutes before the showtime, and all the reserved seating was gone. So now we're mini golfing. Yay!
Wait, you answer quick enough.
Hi. Hello.
It's Angie!
Hold on.
Size it up. There you go. Oh my god.
There you go. Work for your dinner. What?
Gentlemen, as you can see right here, we're looking for the rare and beautiful Italian girl. Have you seen an Italian girl somewhere? Oh, there it is, in its natural habitat. And as you can see, the way to get up, oh my god, and it screeches. Okay, so let's be a little bit hungry, but right now it's in its playful state. So we gotta make sure we do is we play with her, okay? Hello, hi. See, exactly. We communicate. So right now, it's telling me that she enjoys my company, and we'll hope to see each other very, very soon. All right, let's do
You're gonna record it?
Yay! 3.
Thank you. And from the green. 4, 5, Jesus. 6. Good job.
You get double digits. 9, 3.
This is 8.
No, this is 9.
This
Now
is 10.
No, this is Sparta.
Oh my god. 11. Almost didn't
Yay!
go in.
I was like, sorry, Grandma.
Girl, don't fall.
Hardcore. Stunt pit.
Or he's gonna be the one to fall. Watch.
Do it.
Golfing places that you've never been, hitting the ball into the hole.
Come on, bunny hop.
Oh my god. Too soon.
Did it?
Oh, wink, wink.
I don't.
All right, old man.
Step on a crack.
Okay, so what is that?
Oh, have fun avoiding that.
Go.
No drink.
Oh my God, are you serious? Hold on.
That's all I take.
What is this? 4. So we just got done with mini golfing and now we're going to feed some gators.
Oh, you bit the other one.
Or you should probably come on this side.
Yeah, man, this guy's hungry.
That's how he's hungry.
So I forgot to close out the vlog. Yeah. I've been up editing and ooh, girl, excuse my hair. Ooh. And today is actually, well, right now when I'm filming this is Ori's birthday. Yay! He's still sleeping, so that's why I'm trying to be quiet, but we will see you guys, well, later today. But in terms of this vlog, we will see you tomorrow. Happy birthday, Ori!